Okay, so we have a 2005 Ford F-250 Super Duty 6.0 liter. The notorious 6.0 Ford Torture. Now, to do the glow plugs on this, if you end up replacing the harness, which in this case I have to, glow plugs are all the way down here on the side of the head as number 2, 4, 6, and 8 all the way to the rear, right above the exhaust manifold, right below the valve cover. If you use the grommet remover tool and it comes off nicely, you're lucky. But in this case, these connectors, the glow plug wire connectors, are pretty old, and see, this one here came out. Well, they're all coming out, but very, very difficult. It will split from the weak point right here, which is where the tool slides into. If you do a gentle straight pull, it'll come off. I had to soak it in WD-40 and just kind of work it little by little. However, it still did not want to come off. These are very old and brittle and tightly stuck in there. However, in this case, on the passenger side, what I had to do is remove as you can see, the battery tray, air cleaner, air box, and one additional thing I had to do to get to the 2 last glow plugs is not completely disconnect the lines, but I had to dismantle or remove the mounting bolts for the master cylinder. There's a little bracket that holds the line in place for vibration reasons. You got to make sure you remove this gently and move it to the side. This guy right here. Okay? And then this master cylinder will get out of the way, and this will give you a straight shot access all the way down to the 2 last glow plugs. Now, there's another way to do this, is to take both the front wheels off, nick the fender liners off. However, there's a lot of accessories on this side. I'm going to take the liner off the passenger side, but on this side, we have a lot of accessories to take off, including fuse panel and relay panel and all this. So it was easier for me to just take the master cylinder off. I would take the coolant reservoir off, loosen it, and just bungee cord it to the side if that was in the way, but I think we can sneak in there and get it done. So this is what you're looking at on a F-250. You need very good lighting, and you just have to be very, very patient. This is not a simple task. It's not going to happen in a matter of minutes like some guys make it seem on some of these videos. But when you're actually doing it in person yourself, it is not a piece of cake. So soaking it in WD-40 and just being very, very patient and pull it very, very straight as possible. It will come out. I don't know if you can see the hole all the way down there, but that's the hole where the glow plug goes. Once you have the wire harness taken off, it's always recommended, it's always wise to buy wire harness for both sides with the glow plugs, because this will happen and you will be stuck doing glow plugs with damaged wire harnesses. So they're not that expensive. My suggestion, glow plugs, wire harnesses, all 3. Buy all of it and just replace them. They will go bad and set a code for a short to ground or open circuit. Have fun.